Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Today I'm going to cook for you chicken biryani. Chicken biryani is a very popular Indian rice recipe with chicken, vegetables and a bunch of spices. So let's get cooking and enjoy. I would really appreciate it if you could watch the video till the end. If you are still watching, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Here I've used basmati rice. I've made the water nice and hot and I've added a little bit of salt and some oil so that the grains don't stick together. You could also add a few spices to flavor the rice and just make sure the rice comes to a boil and the grains are 75% done. Then give it a nice wash under cold water so that it stops the process of cooking. Friends, if you have loved the video, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.